Elok Imevil Stefanie Cat. Antodai, I'm going to give Altosca 2015 a punishment dai, because he keeps making grounded projects out of me. Ha 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 ha.
Meanwhile at my house.
Man, it sure is a nice day. What was that?
Altosca 2015. How dare you make a grounded project out of me and my friends? That's it. Today is punishment day.
What? No. Evil Stephanie Cat, please don't give me a punishment day.
Too bad. I'm going to give you a punishment day and that's final. First punishment, eating rotten flesh.
No please Evil Stephanie Cat, please don't make me eat rotten flesh. Because I will get sick if I eat rotten flesh.
Too bad that the rotten flesh rigged now.
Jack, that tasted horrible. No, I feel sick, I feel like I'm going to.
Second punishment, beating you up.
Ouch. This hurts so bad.
I don't care how painful it is. Third punishment, walking movie called Bad Lieutenant.
Oh no, not Bad Lieutenant, I really hate that movie, because I don't like rated NC-17 movies. If you let me watch that movie, I will have nightmares when I go to bed.
Well, too bad, you are going to walk Bad Lieutenant and that's final. Now start walking the movie.
This is going to be horrible.
2 hours and 2 minutes later.
How was that movie?
Horrible. And now I am going to have nightmares when I go to bed.
Good. You deserve to have nightmares for making grounded projects out of me and my friends. Fourth and final punishment, grounding you. You are grounded for life. Go to your room right now.
Altoshka 2015, what's wrong? And did you get beaten up?
Luego y 726, Evil Stephanie Cat gave me a punishment just because he made grounded projects out of her. And I'm going to have nightmares when I go to bed because he made me watch a really bad movie called Bad Lieutenant. And also, she gave me a rotten flesh and made me so guap.
Aww. I'm so sorry to hear that. I will look where she is around the house and I will call her parents. And after that, I will take you to the hospital for her beating you up.
Thank you, luego y 726.
You are welcome. Oh my god. Evil Stephanie Cat, how dare you give Altoshka 2015 a punishment day. Just because he makes grounded projects out of you. That's it. Go home right now.
Gosh. I need at home. I will be in so much trouble.
When Evil Stephanie Cat got home.
Oh my god. Evil Stephanie Cat. How dare you give Altoshka 2015 a punishment day by feeding him a rotten flesh and make him sick. Force him to watch a really bad movie called Bad Lieutenant. Now he is going to have nightmares when he goes to bed thanks to you. And also, how dare you beat him up?
That's it. You are grounded for 11 months.
Go upstairs to your room right now. And stay there until you said you can come out. Now go.
Wow.